United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 78, Legal Status of the Superjacent Waters and Airspace and the Rights and Freedoms of Other States. 1. The rights of the coastal state over the continental shelf do not affect the legal status of the superjacent waters, or of the airspace above those waters. 2. The exercise of the rights of the coastal state over the continental shelf must not infringe, or result in any unjustifiable interference with navigation and other rights and freedoms of other states as provided for in this convention.